Video, I will discuss what are the effects of earthquake. Hmm. And as I told you in my live classes, that for this answer you need not require my notes, or you need not require any help from your book. You can use your common sense to answer this question. Okay. सो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर करने के लिए आपको बुक की आवश्यकता नहीं है, ना ही मेरा लिखा हुआ नोट्स का आवश्यकता है। फिर भी मैं लिख रहा हूँ। हाँ, द फॉलोइंग आर द effects of an earthquake. So you know, it may cause building to collapse. It may cause, if an earthquake of high intensity, it may cause building, bridges, dams, to collapse. Followed by injuring and killing people and animals. Next point, it can lead to floods, landslides, that may harm human and other organisms. Here organisms means plant and animal both. So it will harm to your plants, it will harm to your animals, it may kill people, it may injure people. And how flood could be? If the dams are destroyed, obviously the floods will occur. If the river banks are destroyed, if earthquake takes place, it may cause the bank of the river to collapse. If the bank of the river collapses, then water of the river will come in the local areas, or on wild areas, or in forest, or in woods. Okay. So this way earthquake can lead to floods also. Landslide means big blocks of rocks and big block of soil comes down the hill, down the mountains, and blocks the roads. This is we call a landslide. And if anything comes in the way of big rocks, or big soils, or sometime big snow, ice blocks, even then whatever comes in their way, they are totally destroyed. See, as I told, it can destroy, earthquake can destroy, it can destroy railways, roads, bridges, man-made structures. bridges, uh, communication lines. Communication lines means electric wires or your optical fibers through which our mobile or other internet etc. works. Uh-huh. So this optical wires can be destroyed, electric wires can be destroyed. Hmm. D. It may cause fire. It may cause fire. How fire are caused? Because if electric lines supply are or poles are uprooted, then the live wire comes in contact with neutral wire and a short circuit takes place. And if short circuit took place, fire could generate or fire could erupt, and that fire can cause that short circuit fire can cause huge damage by burning things, burning people or whatever be fire can broke out. So these are the effects of earthquake. So sometimes it affects directly and sometimes it affects indirectly too. Clear? And I am also actually it cause some other natural disasters also like tsunami. So sometime if earthquakes takes place inside the sea or ocean, it can cause tsunami too. And you know that during the tsunami, the height of the water waves that is generated in the oceans or seas, in general they are sometimes 1 meter high, sometimes 2 meter high, but when tsunami comes, the height of this water level or water waves can reach up to several can reach up to even 50 meter or even more, and that high waves cause severe damage in coastal areas. So you can also add tsunami in the effects of earthquake if you wish. Otherwise, these 4 points are enough for your answer. So what are the effects of earthquake? So you can write all these 4 points, or you can use your own answer also. Okay, you can use your own knowledge and you can make your own answer. That is equally correct, and you will be given equal credit for that also. Okay.